Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad NURFIKRI bin ADLAN. For this video, I will present about my lab exercise 03 on using Geographical Information System or ArcGIS. Alright, firstly, for the chapter 9, which is the chapter name is Spatial Analysis. In this chapter, I learned on how to make a buffer layer or buffer tools to create a highlighted area that I want as a specific area that I want to create it. After that, in this chapter, I also learned how to create a multiple ring layer. Next, chapter 13. Chapter 13 is terrain mapping and analysis. In this chapter, I learned how to create a contour layer, a vertical profile, a shaded relief layer, and also a 3D perspective view from a DEM. In this chapter also, I learned how to derive a slope layer, an aspect layer, and also a surface curvature from a layer DEM data. After that, chapter 14. Chapter 14, viewshed and watershed analysis. In this chapter, I learned on how to create a viewshed analysis and the effect of the viewpoint's height offset on the viewshed. Other than that, I learned also how to create a cumulative viewshed by using two viewpoints, one of which is added through on-screen digitizing, and also cover the steps for deriving area-wide watersheds from a DEM. Last but not least, Chapter 17. Chapter 17 is least cost path analysis and network analysis. For Chapter 17, I will work with the least accumulative cost distance and also path distance. These two cost and path distance are alternatives or straight line distance cover to create to use of the network analysis extension. This chapter also teach you how to create a shortest path analysis using soft and click direction. Other than that, Chapter 17 also teach you how to build a geodatabase network dataset and also runs a closest facility analysis. I think that's all for my lab exercise 03. Thank you. From ArcGIS tutorial session, I will choose tutorial 9.1. Firstly, I will open tutorial 9.1 from Maps folder and then I will click Windows on the menu bar and then search. I will type buffer and then select buffer analysis tool. For input features, I will select schools, and then for output feature class, I will type school buffers. I will rename it as full school buffers. Then I will click save. Then for the linear unit, I will type 1000 feet. Click OK. OK. Now it will add buffer and buffers tool for school buffers. The layer will appear at the table of content, and then this is school buffer, and then I will drag the school buffers to top of the table of content and then click the polygon and change the color to hollow, then click OK. You will see the school buffers here. I think that's all for my tutorial session. Thank you.